So for tonight, we added a little ideas for the birthing pool, which is going to have bugs that created it in the first place, where they crack the crust and expose new lava. So we've left the scene pretty much the same, but we've added the sort of parent bugs that created this pool in the first place. So for fun, varying size, and they've sort of crystallized because they laid their eggs a long time ago, like the husks. Um, and what they consist of is a egg depositor in the back, which injects and cracks the crust and shoots the eggs down, creates a lava pool. These big lobes in the back, which have the Navelium ore that they recrystallize when they make the eggs in there, and then some random mouth parts and grabbers on front, and the fins on top here, up there, these fins which let them regulate the temperature so they can get the absolute perfect gradual decline in temperature to recrystallize the Navelium ore inside them to make the pure Navelium for the egg yolks. So it could look like anything, but the general idea is some kind of sort of cooling fins which let them manage their temperature exactly. So whatever the environment is, they can make sure their cooling's going just right for the recrystallization. And then some kind of big round lobes that kind of keep the heat in, and some kind of depositor for the eggs in the back. They should have sensors to figure out where the lava is also. So the idea is you follow the course, or now that these giant bugs are up here, you'd see them, and then you'd find these old, possibly tremendously old, kind of dead carcasses of the bugs that have deposited the eggs. And then everything else remains the same. Maybe there's some, you want to thump because there's some dud eggs where you could get the pure Navelium out. Or you can give these a whack and smash them up, and then harvest the materials out of them, and create a bunch of mayhem and destruction. So the idea is that inside these, maybe there's some goodies you can find, some artifacts in there, or something like that. So what you want is that the bugs that came and created the pool in the first place are still around, but calcified, sort of like petrified creatures. And then there's the husks and whatnot, as we had in the previous video. So opportunity to find resources, find fun stuff, and understand how things work as far as the cycle goes for these critters.